The dark web and the deep web. What's the difference between these two? Let's unravel the secrets. Imagine the internet as an iceberg. The surface web, which is what we use daily like Google, social media and websites, is just the tip of the iceberg. Below the surface lies the deep web and even deeper, the dark web. The deep web is everything beneath the surface. It's not indexed by search engines, meaning you can't just Google it. This includes things like online banking, medical records, academic databases, and private company information. So the deep web isn't as scary as it sounds. It's mainly used for things that require privacy and security. For example, when you log into your email, you're accessing the deep web. Now, let's go deeper into the dark, murky waters of the dark web. This is a small part of the deep web, but it's notorious for its secrecy and illegal activities. The dark web requires special software to access, like Tor. While it's often associated with illegal activities like drug trafficking and cybercrime, it's also used for more benign purposes like anonymous communication and privacy protection. Watch this video for Explore the Dark Web. Let's break it down. The deep web is like a library that requires a membership card to enter. It's full of useful information, but not accessible to everyone. The dark web, on the other hand, is like a secret club that's hidden and sometimes dangerous. The deep web is mostly harmless and full of data that's meant to be private, while the dark web is a more secretive and often risky part of the internet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you want me to cover next.